In the shadows where the whispers lie, our heart's a battlefield I can't deny. Every tear falls like a silent rain. I'm screaming through the pain, screaming through the pain. But in the dark I find a light, a flicker of hope ignites the night. With every scar I learn to fight, breaking chains that hold me tight. Screaming through the pain, I rise again, like a phoenix from the ashes. I'll transcend, with every bruise I'll dance in the rain. I'm screaming through the pain, I'm screaming through the pain. Echoes of doubt they try to bind, but I'll turn the hurt into something kind. A voice so fierce it breaks the chain. I'm screaming through the pain, screaming through the pain. Let the thunder roll, let the lightning strike. I'll embrace the storm, I'll take back the night. With every heartbeat, I'm breaking free, screaming through the shadows. Just let me be me. Screaming through the pain, I rise again, like a phoenix from the ashes. I'll transcend, with every bruise I'll dance in the rain. I'm screaming through the pain, I'm screaming through the pain. So let the world hear my battle cry. Through the pain I'll learn to fly. With every moment